This is your cylinder. We're going to dismantle the lock using the shim steel and the key blank. We've already took the fixing circlip off the back, so once the lock's been shimmed it should come straight out of the core. Right, the lock's picked now. Oh, done. So you can remove the shim, remove the key blank. Now once that's picked, we can now use the plug follower and extract the core. We can now work on the cylinder. And then I took the pins out of this one, just reinsert the core back, like that, and then you're sorted. Right, this is a union cylinder. You can strip this lock down either by picking the lock, remove the tail, which holds the piece that holds this in, remove that, pick the lock, use your plug follower and pull the core out, or you can undo these two screws. These two screw holes is what holds the lock into the door. These two screws hold the lock housing in place. Now there's no pins or anything in here because I've took them out, so they'll go springing everywhere, but you can undo these two screws, remove the plate, and you can take this core out. You can just then empty all the parts and rebuild the lock up from there. So as long as you know what key you're going to use, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just drop your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin down, then you drive the pins, put your springs in, making sure your springs are pressed down and re-bolted up.